Hi, today we're looking into product purchase order form. So this form helps you automate the process of purchasing orders and it can be used by the distributors, wholesalers, manufacturers to process the orders directly from the customers. So you can simply provide the form link to the customers who can fill in the details and you can capture the responses under the responses view that we have over here. So how exactly will it work? I'll click on copy, share a form over here. Then I'll click on copy form link. So you just need to go to share form and copy form link, and then provide this URL to the user who is going to fill out this form. Okay. So I'm going to quickly fill in the form over here with some random information, and once I fill in all the details, I'll be able to submit the records. So I click on submit right now, and you can see the response has been submitted. And if I go back to the responses view, I can see the response has been captured over here. So this is how you can take help of this form builder link and expose it to the users to capture all the order form related inquiries. Besides this, I also want to talk about a tool, PDF Output, which can help you generate PDF documents in bulk for your personal commercial use cases. I've added a video of how you can use this with Google Sheet and Notion database to generate invoice documents in bulk over here. You can check out this video and understand more about this. It essentially requires a Google document as a source of template file, and you need a Google Sheet or a Notion database which can have a source of information which can be used to replace the elements in the Google Doc. So for any queries, please reach out to me at Notion for my use at gmail.com, and I'll be able to help you further on this. Thank you. Have a great day.